All right, welcome back. So Kirsten, take us through what oil's doing.
Yeah, price of oil, we are currently at $29.83. We are down from $31, but from the news that I've been listening to in the past couple days, I feel like this number could literally change 20 seconds from now. So it has kind of been all over the place. So this is going to be old news within a minute of probably saying that number. The Canadian dollar is up, which is fantastic. Well, for anybody traveling lately, but 72.60 cents versus 71.86 cents, which is a little bit up.
Yeah, as far as the number of listings going on the market here, we have Calgary, which has had a large increase. Remember, we're 2 weeks out here from our last update, so take that with a grain of salt. We're up to 5,770 listings. That's up from 5,373. You're going to see here absorption rates are actually down still in Calgary, which is awesome, and that means that sales have outpaced the increase in listings, which is great. Red Deer actually went the other way. The number that you're seeing on the screen here, 552. No, actually, sorry, I got the wrong number on my sheet. 552 is the correct number. It went up ever so slightly from 540 listings. Kirsten, let's talk about months of inventory.
Yeah, so in Calgary right now, we're at 5.4 total buyer's market. Single family homes, 4.62. Condo, 6.88. So not terrible.
Green numbers across the board.
Yeah, pretty good. Okotoks, 6.61. Airdrie, 4.99. Cochrane, 7.91. Strathmore doesn't need the asterisk that it did in previous weeks, so that one's at 7.73, so nice to see that one come down a bit. And Red Deer, 5.75.
Yeah, so you can see that it's actually still buyer's market across the board, but it's still pretty strong. As far as our benchmark price, we're looking at $447,300. Again, this is the composite of the city of Calgary, taking all homes into effect. And that's where we're sitting right now. So that's down about 0.3% from last month. And there still seems to be a little bit of downward pressure on there. But I'll tell you guys, we are starting to see signs of sales picking up, which means that we will see a little bit of a spring market. It's not going to be as busy as last year. Obviously not as much as 2014, but still good. And some interesting economic news coming out. A couple things. I want you to talk about the oil thing in a second here, but they did an estimate of the census. And Calgary and Edmonton were up over 65,000 people. And this is Todd Hirsch from ATB that shared this in his publication called The Owl. And that was actually a 2.4% increase, which is the second highest metropolitan increase in all of Canada. So everyone's like, everyone's leaving Calgary? Well, not yet. Everyone seems to be kind of staying and figure out what they're going to have here because we still had the second largest influx in all of Canada.
Interesting.
Yes.
Very interesting. As far as some of the oil stuff goes, Saudi Arabia and Russia agreed to freeze production if other oil-producing countries follow suit. So Iran and Iraq have tentatively agreed. I think Iran was the one that everyone was a little bit nervous about. And, to your point, cut versus freeze is a little bit different. So depending on what happens, we could be in the same situation even a few months from now where if, people don't necessarily stop their production, we could see where we're at again. But at the end of the day, it's good news.
Yeah, well, the whole point of this is, first of all,
people are starting to recognize it like this is an issue and that eventually it's going to hurt everybody.
Yeah, exactly. And we're not sure if the other oil-producing countries are going to follow suit. Everything's kind of tentative right now, so we'll see what happens. We saw a market response, but then supply levels came out for the U.S. Prices went down again. So I think it basically means that Saudi Arabia has acknowledged that there's a problem, but we're still watching prices go like this.
Yes. Hi, everybody. I'm Kirsten Favren.
And I'm Lindsay Smith.
Thank you so much for tuning into our CIR Live segment today.
If you guys like this video and you want more videos like it, please visit our YouTube channel and subscribe and share it with your friends.
Hope to see you there.